Good evening, everybody. This is your host, Torrential Tom, December 23rd, here for your Christmas forecast special. So we look at our current weather right now, and as you can see in the Midwest, the upper Midwest, lots of blizzard warnings, especially from Minnesota right now. Not a major snow event, only around 4 to 6 inches for them, as it's a pretty quick mover. But the winds are heavy, gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Wind chills are going down to 30 to 40 degrees below zero in that area. That's the storm that will be affecting us, but unfortunately we will be in the warm sector of that storm. Looking ahead, this will be Wednesday early evening, or tonight, and as you can see, that low pressure is in the Midwest, upper Midwest around Minnesota, Wisconsin. Blizzard warnings, you can see how close those pressure gradient lines are, representing the heavier winds. The further apart they are, the lighter the winds are. So as you can see, you have the low pressure in the Midwest, you have high pressure to our east in the Atlantic Ocean, and that's why our winds are going to be picking up tomorrow as those differences in pressure get closer to each other, the winds will be increasing. So we move to noon, Christmas Eve, and the rain's going to be pushing on into Pennsylvania and into western New York. And again, our winds will be picking up throughout the day, and our temperatures will be going up as well. High temperatures tomorrow reaching close to 60 degrees. New York City, Long Island can definitely get into the 60-degree range. We move into midnight Christmas Eve or early Christmas morning. You can see heavy, heavy rain in our area, southeast New York, northern Jersey, central Jersey, Manhattan, Long Island. Heavy winds as well, gusting up to 60 miles per hour for most of the area. There's going to be a lot of power outages, down trees, flooding from snow that has not melted already, going to melt from the warm temperatures during the day tomorrow, and then the heavy rain tomorrow night. So be careful if you're traveling. Again, that low pressure is moving up central Pennsylvania through central New York. That's why we are in the warm sector. You can see snow on the back end there affecting cities like Pittsburgh, Buffalo, Cleveland. We may get into that as we move into noon, Christmas Day. That storm's moving out. There are some leftover snow showers. And then the cold weather will be pushing into our area. You can see on this screen, the blue lines are dipping all the way down into Georgia, into North Florida as well. So cold temperatures from Canada will be dipping very low into the eastern portion of the United States. Next, we move into midnight Christmas Day, and again, the cold air is officially into our area. As I mentioned, high temperatures around 60 in the morning, around midnight to around 6 a.m. on Christmas Day. By midnight Christmas Day, we could be in the mid-20s for most of the area. So you're talking about a 30 to almost 40 degree difference in less than 24 hours. And we're going to show that here as you move to Thursday. Early evening, you can see the temperatures, the blues, the purples are the very cold air. The purples are below zero, and that's your Arctic air. That's going to be dipping into the area. You can see we're in the reds, so 50 degrees, 60 degrees. As you can see, midnight Thursday, early Christmas morning. Again, we're still in that area, mid-50s to 60 degrees. And you can see the cold weather as the storm moves with the front is starting to seep into our area, and it's starting to seep further south. So by Christmas Day noon, we're already into the low 40s. By midnight Christmas, as I mentioned, we're in the high teens to low 20s. Areas like Long Island, New York City, you're still in the low 30s, but you will get into the high 20s as the night progresses. So in summation, Christmas Eve temperatures close to 60 degrees. Christmas Eve morning, light winds as you move throughout the day to Christmas morning. Gusts we're going to reach as high as 60 miles per hour in most of the area. That's not going to be just coastal areas, that's going to be even a little bit inland as well. Widespread flooding likely from the heavy rain, but also if you don't have snow that has fully melted, that's going to melt with the warm temperatures and the rain. Add the rain on top of that, add the winds on top of that, it's going to be dangerous. Heaviest rain Thursday night through early Friday morning. After that, as I mentioned, there's going to be a cold stretch to follow. The cold air is going to move in Friday or Christmas Day. It's going to stay around Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We have a stormy pattern coming up. I will make a video for that. Lots of storms moving west to east across our country. But for us, what does it mean? Does it mean more snow, more rain, or nothing? I will get into that, more details into that a little earlier into the week or maybe this weekend. So stay tuned. I hope everybody has a very Merry Christmas. Stay safe with your families. And I look forward to putting that video out next week.